Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 BMW K1600GTL with only 13,339 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a Hannigan TRIKE kit, a 180 series front end package, an electric reverse kit, a TRIKE cover, and chrome rear wheels. From the factory, it comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker stereo system, cruise control, ABS, ESA, a navigation system, an electronically adjustable windshield, traction control, heated grips and seats, rear tire TPMS, and an onboard computer. The K1600GTL is the pinnacle of sport touring machines, powered by an inline 6-cylinder motor with a 5-speed transmission that produces 160 horsepower and 129 foot-pounds of torque. If you're in the market for a luxury sport touring machine, but need the stability of 3 wheels, this bike would be an excellent choice. In stock form, it weighs in at 707 pounds and has a seat height of 29.5 inches. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.